the first thing we're going to do is order numbers from least to greatest on a number line. We're ordering -2, 5, 6, 0.9, 1.2, and -1 and 1/5. So first, -2, well, that's already on our number line, so we're going to put a dot there. And just to remind ourselves, we'll say -2. 5, 6. Well, that's going to be a little bit more than 1/2 and a little bit less than 1. So 5, 6 would be somewhere around here. 0.9 would also be a little bit less than 1. Okay, so we need to figure out between these two what comes first, and we'll do that in a little bit. 1.2 would be right about here. And -1 and 1/5. Here's -1, and 1/5 would be a little bit further. So we have -1 and 1/5. So now we need to determine between 5, 6, and 0.9 which one comes first. To do that, it might be best to change 5, 6 into a decimal. So we say 5 divided by 6. We can't do that, so we put decimal 0. Put our decimal right at the top. 6 goes into 50 8 times, which is 48. Subtract and get 2. Bring down another 0. 6 goes into 20 3 times, which should be 18. 2, if you bring down another 0. And that's just going to repeat. Okay, so comparing 0.9 and 0.83, repeating, this would come first, which means 5/6 is smaller than 0.9. So if we put them in order from least to greatest, it would be -2, -1 and 1/5, 5, 6, 0.9, and 1.2.